Hello and welcome to RTCtv. This is RTC's Business Spotlight. I'm your host, Abby Malco, out here at Ramco Supply, and I'm sitting with the President and CEO, Marvin Raymer. How are you?
I'm doing very well. How are you?
I'm good. Glad to be here. Thank you. Tell us a little bit about your business and the history.
Well, thank you for the opportunity to come out and sit down and ask me some questions about my business. And, back in 1998, I was looking for some meaningful work, and we had a neighbor that wanted a post-frame building built. So I thought, because of my background, my dad had taught us about building, I thought that's something I could do. Mm-hmm. So we actually built our first building in the fall of 1998 here in Fulton County. And through the building process, as we were building, we learned that we had a hard time finding supplies and materials, especially metal roofing. It took like 7 days to get metal roofing. And for me, if you messed up on a sheet, you couldn't get a sheet, you would have to wait another 7 days to get some metal. So I thought it was a great opportunity for me to get in business. As we went down the road, 2 years later, I decided that maybe that's something I need to get into is selling metal roofing. Mm-hmm.
And is that because in the Midwest or around our area, there aren't as many companies like you that are able to give you the metal roofing at the speed that you would like?
Well, at that point in time, the companies that were around here, most of the companies did not manufacture it. They were just a dealer for other larger national companies, and so the product was shipped in, mm-hmm. and then it was distributed through like a lumber yard. Mm-hmm. And that's when I thought we could do something better. We actually found a national company that could deliver to us 3 times a week, which was a lot quicker than anybody else around here. And so in 2000, when we put in a building to start selling metal roofing, we were a dealer for this manufacturer, and we could offer it to the public 3 times a week instead of every 7 days. Mm-hmm. And that really made a difference. That's what got us started. And that was even before we put in our manufacturing lines. So in 2004, we put in a roll forming line where we actually could make it. Oh. Today, so service was a big part of getting our business started, mm-hmm. and today we can process an order in 48 hours. Oh, wow. A custom metal roofing order we can have delivered on the job site within 48 hours.
So being established since 1998, now being almost 2016, tell us some of the things you've changed or improved in your business to be so successful lately.
Absolutely. Well, I would say number one is great people. I've hired some really, really good people. Without the people that I have here, there's no way we could do what we do. And we have really enjoyed a lot of growth over the last several years. And I would say, I've invested heavily in our company as far as equipment. If you ever see our delivery trucks on the road, you'll notice they're always of late model, always clean. Mm-hmm. And that's really important to us when our drivers show up on the job site, that we can deliver the product in a timely manner. And also, as far as our manufacturing lines, our roll forming lines, and the computer systems that we use to get our orders to the shop, mm-hmm. and double check everything and make sure they're right. Those are some of the things that we've done.
Marvin, obviously you started out with metal roofing, but we've seen a lot of growth here out at Ramco. Tell us some of the other services that Ramco Supply offers. Absolutely.
Well, metal roofing is our primary thing that we do, and that is what is propelled our company forward in the last couple of years. But we stock all the lumber and building materials for a post-frame building. We stock doors, windows, all the accessories and pieces and parts that you need, screws, nails, everything that you would need to put together a post-frame building. Mm-hmm. We have people on staff that can help you figure out what you need as far as a building goes. If you're not sure what you need, help put that whole package together. If you want to build it, that's no problem. We can give you a set of drawings and help you figure out that you can build it. If you don't want to build it, we can help find you a qualified builder.
So today you have more package items versus just metal roofings. They can build them themselves, or you can build them for them.
Yes. Let's say that you wanted to build a sliding door for your barn, mm-hmm. and you wanted to come out here. We have all the track, the cannonball sliding door track, the handles, the latches, the aluminum frames, everything you need to build that sliding door package. Mm-hmm. If you just wanted to replace a walk door in your existing pole barn, we stock many different sizes and styles of walk-through doors and windows. So if you're not sure exactly what you want, just come out and we can take you out in our showroom or in our warehouse and show you what we have so you can figure out what you need.
And a new trend as of lately, tell us why metal roofing. What are the benefits of it?
One of the things is, as of late, there's a lot of push for the green movement. And when you think of a shingle roof, when you go to tear that shingle roof off, once it's old, it has to go to the landfill. If you think about a metal roof, if that metal roof comes off, it can all be recycled. And it seems like a lot of people like that. But it's cost effective. If you have a roofing project that you want to do and you compare it, asphalt shingles versus metal roofing, the difference on metal is sometimes a little more, but when you actually look at the cost long term, because metal roofing lasts such a long time, it's actually in most cases more cost effective to do metal roofing.
And as you said, driving by, you see a lot more metal roofs here lately, and I've actually seen a variety of colors and structure. Would you tell us a little bit about that?
Yes. Well, here at Ramco, we manufacture 3 different profiles. We manufacture our Ram panel profile, which is a screw-down type metal roofing that you would see on a lot of pole barns. We sell a lot of that for house roofs as well. And then we also manufacture a standing seam, which is a snap-together metal roofing, and you don't see the screws on it. A lot of people seem to like that. So when that panel goes, the way it's screwed down, when that panel is installed, the way it's screwed down in such a way that the next piece snaps over the top of that. So when you look at that metal roof, you don't see the fasteners. And that's a little bit of an upgraded product over the Ram panel. And then, of course, we have steel shingles. We don't manufacture steel shingles, but we offer them. And some people like that. You can actually get a steel shingle that has a stone coating on it that ends up looking just almost like asphalt shingles. So some people that are not real comfortable with the metal roofing look, there's still a metal roofing option out there that may be right for them. Fulton County has been a great place for us to be in business. The community's been good. The people that we've been able to hire from the community have been fantastic. So first of all, Fulton County's been a good place for us. Rochester's been good to us. But we do have one other location. It's in Woodburn, Indiana, which is on the east side of Fort Wayne. And we opened that in December. And we also manufacture the Ram panel over there. We have a 21-foot computerized brake. We make lots of custom trims there. So that allows us to service the Fort Wayne area a lot better. And it also helps us reach in that western Ohio market. Our trucks, our delivery trucks, we have a fleet of delivery trucks. They're crisscrossing the state every day. So we're taking product between locations and also delivering product to our customers throughout the state. We get into southern Michigan. We get into eastern Illinois and, down south of Indianapolis almost every day. So if you're a customer that's out of ways, and you say, well, how are they going to get the material to me? There's a good chance that we have a truck going that way anyway.
Well, congratulations on all your success. Thank you for letting us come out and talk to you, and we look forward to getting a tour of your business.
Thank you very much for coming.
Yes, thank you.